Let's talk about how to use a shampoo and conditioner. So shampoo is to be used for cleansing your scalp. So when you use a shampoo, apply it on your scalp, not on your hairs, and leave it in your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. If you are working outdoors or if you are doing exercise on a daily basis, doing shampoo on a daily basis is good thing. If not possible, at least 4 to 5 times a week. If you are working mainly indoors inside the offices, then also at least 3 times a week hair wash is necessary. Now when we talk about conditioner, they have to be applied on the length of the hair shaft, not on the scalp. And you have to take a conditioner which has a thicker cream based consistency and just gently massage it into your hair shaft and rinse it off. So this will help in cleansing your scalp properly and giving good nourishment to your hair length also.